guys, it's Mark here, and yeah, I never did a video in a long time, so I'm here now, and that's really cool. And if I never showed you, you guys never commented yet. WWE Toy Review. If you were wondering who the other dude was, here he is. Now, you guys might not be able to see good, so I will make it see good for you guys. Introducing first, from Westbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 275 pounds. You guys leave it in the comments, okay? You guys don't know. And I was going to show you guys some more Lego figures. Got a little prisoner here. Prisoner Lego man. And we got this little, which is awesome, homemade Doom Buggy that I made. Homemade Doom Buggy. Looks like a little truck. I made a homemade out of Legos. That's really cool, too. And I got this dude from The Simpsons. I'm not sure what it's called, but. And I got this, a dinosaur. On that. Guys, you guys might not be able to see well. You probably see well now. But, yeah. And if you guys never saw, I'll show it soon. Look, there's like a little dirt bike man. Look. Wheelie! And tires, little tires. So you go like, whoa! Whoa! Boy, flying up and down the road. That's really cool. And you guys were wondering, I got this too. Now you guys might not be able to see it. It's a little cop car with handcuffs, and that comes with the little prisoner. I got a little soldier that I got from my school. I'm pretty sure my school. And you guys are going to love this if you guys like the Smurfs. Lego Smurf clumsy. Isn't that cool, guys? It's really cool. And you guys were wondering if you guys have been at Sorry. You guys might have been there before, but yeah. I got this. It's a woman that's a goat that has a beard. But it is pretty funny. Give me my cheese! Give me my cheese! Jump off the ropes! Give me my cheese! Give me my cheese! Ah! Hey, that's not right. Ow! You kicked me in the head. Ooh. Kicked me in the head. Little meanie. Ow! Ow! Ow, that actually hurt. Okay, John Cena. Take him out. Boo! Boo! Come on, John. Boo! 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 John Cena's not giving out. But the power that we need is the power that we need is a Minecraft creeper. My brother made this, so comes over and it's like, no, he's still not out. Don't tackle me. No, I yell. Ow. Not so. Hear that? He listened really closely to the police. And that was from him. Called the police on him. Stay out of your homes, kids. Hey, you, don't be mean to those kids. Bro, backflipper. Creeper, I need you to come back, buddy. Be back. Okay, the ultimate creeper. Yeah! He landed in the garbage. Is that a good thing? Not sure. So guys, I might have to leave it here. So I'll see you guys next time. So bye.